Hi guys, this is Ms.Hong. Today is May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, right? So, happy Tuesday. So today is Learn Day, and I plan to give you a quiz on a Wednesday. So tomorrow will be the quiz day. So today I want to go over like similar quiz type. Right, so I'm just going over the things we did so far. So you will see the same format but just different function and different number. All right. So when you look at part A, look, you graph, and I want you to like roughly graph the function here and find the solution using graph. So for this one, I'm gonna use Desmos because that's easier to use. I'm gonna use Desmos for that. And part B is a system of equations, so we need to use matrices, right? So for this one, I'm going to use TI-84. Okay, so you should know how to access Desmos and TI-84. And like some of you ask like, Ms.Hong, I don't understand it. But you know what, guys? If you just tell me I don't understand it, then I don't know what to do. So you need to be very like, just tell me the detail. If you just say I don't understand it, then you don't understand what? That's my question. Did you watch the video? This is literally, you're just plugging numbers to the calculator. You're not doing any mathematical things. You just use a calculator, you put the function, then you will get the answer. But if you say like I don't understand it, then I really want to help you, but I don't know how to help. So your question could be, I don't know how to put the function in the calculator, or I don't know how to access calculator website, or I don't know which button I need to use to get the answer, like something like that. Or I don't know how to simplify the number, or I don't know how to rearrange terms to use the calculator or something like that. So if you just tell me, Ms.Hong, I don't understand it, then I can't help. You know what I mean? So you study, please. You study first. And you know how many of you got wrong answers on the lesson quiz? Like, so I don't, like, I know there's like a lot of you working really hard. I know that I'm like really appreciate it. But still, a lot of you just get some answers from internet or someone, because literally this chapter we are using a graphing calculator, but like some of you solve it algebraically. I didn't even teach, so I don't get it. I'm doing this for you and you're not watching this, then there's no reason to recording this video, you know? So please watch the video and do your work. And if you have any question, even though you watched the video, then you can ask me, especially which part you didn't get it. All right? Or you can just tell me, Ms.Hong, I don't understand number 2, or something like that at least. All right? Okay, so I told you like this one, we will find the solution that's the intersection of these two functions. So I'm going to use Desmos, and I will type the function into the Desmos. Okay? So the first function is x squared minus 2x minus 8. So I'm going to do this, x squared minus 2x minus 8. Then you got this one, and my second one, that's 1 over 4. 1 over 4x minus 1. Right? Like this. Then do you see the intersection? That is negative 1.75. So I'm going to copy that one. Negative 1.75, negative 1.438. And this one is 40. So I got two answers like that. So you just copy it. And on the graph, I just want to see that. So you can just do this and that. Okay? So just mark this. Alright? So yeah, and then number 2, let's look at number 2. It's absolute value. So to type the absolute value, it's right here, right? And then you can just type it x minus 3. And then my second equation, 9 minus x. Okay, so I have, because they have the same slope, so you're not going to get any intersection after that. So we have only one solution here, 6, 3. So you answer 6, 3. And on the graph, you just sketch it. So it will be this, right? And then that's my solution. That's 6, 3. Okay. So literally, you're just putting it on the calculator. So actually, like for this lesson, I don't know why you keep telling me I don't understand it, because you're not doing anything. Just open the decimals, you type it in, you find the intersection. You know how to get the intersection. So from here, you see intersection, you just click the point. You click the point, then they will tell you. Okay? So number 3, it is 1 over 2x, x on the denominator, all right, and x squared. Oops, x squared. Then do you see this? I think this was like our homework before. I'm just reviewing the work. So the answers 0.794, 0.63. Okay, so you write it, and then I'm gonna sketch the graph. So just sketch it. Looks like that. It looks like this. And that's your intersection. Okay? And number 4. Same thing. Just type it in. Square root of x plus 3. Right? And then my second one, 2x. Then you have intersection over here. That's 1, 2. So you put it in, and then you graph it. Like this, and my radical. So that's my intersection. 1, 2. Okay? That's it. So yeah, so that's part A. And part B, we will use TI-84, and I know some of you cannot access TI-84 because like computer issue. So if you have the problem, you should let me know. All right, you should let me know if you have like calculator problem. But otherwise, you can do it. And if you have a calculator problem, then take the screenshot or take a picture and send it to me. All right, so that I can check it. And this time, I go to this and told you we need to start the test. But we are not taking the test. This is what? We just want to use calculator from this website for free. All right? We are just using a TI-84 calculator for free. So that's why we are using this website. You're not taking the test. All right? So from here, we need to arrange the terms, right? So guys, look at this. Check you have x, y, and z. So I have x, so it will be 4, 5, 3. And I have y's, so it's like this, right? And I have z. But look, this one doesn't have z. So you need to fill with 0, z. So we will use 0 for the number, all right? And then other 2 z's, that's positive 1 and negative 1. And my number, the last number, your constant will be 2, 7, and 3, right? So on my graphing calculator, I will put this number 4, 5, 3, negative 2, 4, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, 7, 3. We will put those number into the calculator, right? So we start like this. You go to matrix, right? You go to matrix, go to math, go to BRREF, enter, then you will get this, and then we need to put the numbers in. So we will use shortcut, green zoom, and that's 3 rows, 4 columns, right? 3 rows, 4 columns. So 3 rows, 4 columns. You set it up like this, 3, 4, and come back. Enter. Then you will get this, and all you need to do is put the numbers in. All right? 4, -2, 0, 2, 5, -2, 1, 7, 3, 4, -1, 3. Like this. Then you get 1, 1, 4. So that's my solution. That is my solution. Do you see this? 1, 1, 4. So my solution, 1, 1, 4. That's it. That's my... Okay, and number 6. So it's the same thing. So we will take the coefficient from the system and we will put it on the graphing calculator. You will get the answer. All right. So let's get the coefficients. So from here, that's 1, -1, 3, 4, and this is 1, 2, -2, 10, 3, -1, 5, 14, right? So those are my numbers. And I'm gonna type it into my graphing calculator. So we do second matrix, math. And if you forget how to do it, you can check, when was it? May 4th, Monday work, Monday lesson. Check that one. Then on the lesson note, I went through like step by step. Oh, actually, no. May 1st. You need to check the May 1st work. All right. Then there's like, I put all the notes on the paper. So just download that one. And then there's step by steps. So you go to second matrix, go to math, and then you keep going down. Or you can go up. Doesn't matter. So you choose B, then you will see RREF like this. Shortcut, alpha zoom, 3 by 4. Okay. And then you type the number 1, -1. But you know, some of you solve it like algebraically. You don't have to. We're using a graphing calculator for this. But if you know how to do it with algebraically, that's good. And 5. And guys, today's lesson quiz. You know, today's Cinco de Mayo, May 5th. You know what day is in Korea? We celebrate today as Children's Day. So parents, like everybody, children or parents, like everybody have like, it's like national holiday, and they celebrate the children, and then they spend time with their children, and children get gifts. So today is Children's Day in Korea. So today's lesson quiz, what? Children's Day, May 5th in South Korea is Children's Day. So anyway, for this one I got 2, 7, and 3, right? 2, 7, and 3. So those are my answer. 2, 7, and 3. Okay. So that's it. That's it for today. So please review this. I told you tomorrow's quiz, you will have like same format but just different numbers. All right. So you should know how to use decimals. You should know how to use TI-84. All right. And if TI-84 website is not working with you, let me know. All right. You should let me know before the quiz so that I can excuse those problems. All right. Okay, guys. You have a great day and enjoy your day. Bye bye.